Hello illuminated creators, here we are in video 4. Now, my paintings are really known for their vibrant colors, so here I decided to go with orange for these two shapes. And as I color them in, notice that the top part, or the part that's most away from the center, is a little bit darker. And that's because I want to show that the lighting is coming from the center of the painting. And I just put a little bit of white paint there. Just like that. And then just blend it in. And that gives it that spheric look. A little bit of red up here to mix in with the orange. And now the other one as well. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it that spheric look by making it lighter towards the center. And darker furthest away from the center. And here we are at the end of another video. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.